Struggling to figure out what kind of content you should be creating for your personal brand, for your business to get more clients. In this video, I'm going to go through exactly what you can do to make sure you never have to worry about what kind of content you're going to create, and you're going to know everything to do with content creation really in this video, and how to come up with ideas and how to set certain things up where you can just look at it and be like, okay, this is what I'm going to create now. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to use a Miro board for this, so let me put myself down a bit here and let's get into it. I'm going to try and draw. I'm on a PC right now, so it might be a bit hard, but I'm going to try and draw. So first of all, this is what I like to kind of call your brand pillars. So even if you started your personal brand already, you can still implement this advice, but this is like, if you haven't started at all, this is going to be perfect for you. Brand pillars are basically kind of like the topics that you're going to speak about within your videos, and you need these because you need to know what you're going to be to, like, kind of like the topics. You need to know what kind of topics you want to speak about. So let's just say, for example, you're a lawyer, for example, because I help lawyers and I help online businesses in general. Okay, so let's just say you are a lawyer. What you can do is start writing out kind of your brand pillars, so your brand topics really. And what I would say is, for lawyers, is, let's just say you are an accident lawyer, you can say kind of the first pillar is going to be V for value. Okay, so you're going to give valuable pieces of content away for free. You're going to give value to your audience, but you can then break that down into what kind of valuable pieces are you going to give. Okay, so are you going to speak about what to do when you get into an accident? Are you going to speak about laws? So you can break it down into different kind of sub pillars. So this is the main pillar is value, and the sub pillars are speaking about what to do when you get into an accident, speaking about laws in general, showing people what to do when you get into an accident, so like getting in a car and actually showing you. So these are like that's like the first pillar. It's kind of value, but it's broken into sub pillars where you can speak about what to do when you get into an accident, what to do, just personal injury laws in general, showing what you can do when you get into an accident. And then you can go over to the next pillar, which can be something like reaction videos. Okay, so this is the main pillar, reaction. And you could break it down again, reacting to accidents. Okay, you can react to accidents that happen. Okay, you can react to road rage, for example. Okay, road rage. You can react to, let's just say you help people get away. You help people with like DUIs. You can react to a police officer pulling someone over, so you can react to a police officer pulling people over and what to do in that situation. Okay, so that's the kind of second pillar of your content. And don't worry guys, if you are online business and you're not a lawyer, I'm going to do that in a minute, so don't worry about that. But this is kind of the second pillar. And the third pillar, you need to implement some kind of results. You need to show you know your shit basically. So that would be the third pillar. It would be testimonials. So testimonials, and then you can break that down again. You could be like reaction. Sorry if my writing's a bit bad, that is really terrible. I need to get an iPad to do this. But reaction videos, so get your client's reaction to the settlement they've got. Or you could do phone calls. Okay, you could call your client up and then get another reaction. Or you could just do testimonials, so video testimonials. Okay, so these are your kind of like pillars on what you're going to create content, and there's sub pillars to the actual pillar, if that makes sense. Okay, so value, you're going to speak about what to do when you get into an accident. That's valuable. What to do, you're going to speak about personal injury laws. That's valuable. You're going to show what to do when you get into an accident. That's valuable. The next pillar is reactions. So you're going to react to accidents. You're going to react to road rage. You're going to react to police pulling people over. If that's what you do. And the last one is testimonials. Okay, so you showing reactions to their settlements. You could show phone calls of you speaking to your client if that's allowed, and testimonials in general. Okay, so those are your kind of pillars, and that's how you kind of know what to speak about within your content, if that makes sense. Okay, so you know what kind of you're following these pillars, so when you're lost, you can be like, okay, oh, let me follow the pillars. Oh, value pillar. Oh, I can speak about more accidents. Oh, reactions. Oh, I can react to police pulling someone over, okay? And react to injuries as well. That could be another one. But of course, if it's not graphic, because you don't want it to get taken down. So those are your kind of pillars, and it's the same for online businesses. So let's just say you're an online coach and you help, let's just do, for example, you help people get in the best shape of their life, because I'm huge, so I can speak about that. Let's just say, for example, one of your first pillars is, again, valuable pieces of content, okay? And this could be like tips and tricks, okay? So tips and tricks, it could be nutrition, and then it could be exercises, okay? Exercises, and then it could be like mindset, okay? So you can break that down into valuable pieces of content, subtopics really. It could be nutrition, it could be examples, it could be exercises, it could be mindset, okay? And then the next pillar, it could be something like a ManyChat sequences, and this would just be pure ManyChat sequences. So at the end of some of your videos, say comment the word keyword, I'll send you over a free training. Or it could be demonstrations, okay? So you could say show demonstrations of exercises, okay? And you could show demonstrations of nutrition, okay? Or you could show demonstrations of, I don't know, just tracking your macros, for example, okay? And that's your next pillar, so demonstration videos. And the last one, again, I think you should always, anyone who's an online coach or just lawyer in general should have proof of concept, so testimonial videos. You can show a weight loss transformation, you could show a testimonial video, you could actually interview your client in real life and post clips of that. So that's kind of your pillars, again, for if you're an online business, okay? And you can get deeper, you can go into, like, let's just say, for example, exercises. You could do bicep exercises, for example, but I don't think you should even go that far. You should just figure out the pillars, and then if you have something like a content dashboard, you can write down the ideas on there, okay? So that's kind of the how to come up with content ideas, how to come up with what to speak about within your content, especially if you want to connect with your ideal client. And you can even break this down further and just go viral pieces of content. So you could do another one here, viral pieces of content. So you could specifically do kind of funny videos, trends, follow trends and everything like that. And that could be another brand pillar. There's no like limit on brand pillars. I would suggest like 4 to 5, maybe even 3. And yeah, that's kind of how to come up with what to speak about within your content, because I know most of the people I actually work with, like online coaches, online businesses, lawyers, they struggle with content ideas, but it's all in your head. You just overthink it, okay? Don't overthink it. Do this, and I guarantee you'll know what to speak about, and you'll have a like kind of structure to follow. So one day you could post a valuable video, next day you could post a demonstration, next one you could post a testimonial, then repeat the process, okay? And then take a day off on Sunday, or take a day off on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, really as simple as that. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you are a lawyer or you're an online business, check out the 2 free trainings down below. It runs you through how you, as an online business or lawyer, can get 15 to 30 qualified leads every single month, guaranteed. Down below, it runs you through the system. It's called the Magnify Your Content System. It will run you through how you can start implementing it. And at the end of it, you'll know how to implement all of it, so you can start getting those kind of leads and building your personal brand. So I hope you got some value from this. Subscribe and everything like that. And peace.